Hey there, new moms! Breastfeeding can be a beautiful journey, but it's not always easy. Today, I'm sharing essential breastfeeding tips that every new mom should know. First up, get comfy. Find a comfortable position for both you and your baby. Pillows can be your best friend here. Whether it's the cradle hold, football hold, or side-lying position, experiment to find what works best for you. Next, latch on. A good latch is crucial for effective breastfeeding and preventing sore nipples. Make sure your baby's mouth covers not just the nipple, but a good part of the areola too. If it's painful, gently break the suction with your finger and try again. Hydration and nutrition are key. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet. Your body needs extra calories and nutrients to produce milk, so don't skip meals and snacks. Watch for feeding cues. Look out for signs that your baby is hungry, like rooting, sucking on hands, or making smacking noises. Feeding on demand helps establish your milk supply and keeps your baby satisfied. And remember, it's okay to ask for help. Reach out to lactation consultants or breastfeeding support groups. They can offer invaluable advice and support when you need it most. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Everyone's breastfeeding journey is different, and it's normal to face challenges. Celebrate your successes no matter how small, and know that you're doing an amazing job. So take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy this precious bonding time with your baby. You've got this, mama. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Visit our website for additional resources and support. Thanks for watching.